This happens every day. I wake up early every day.
And we want to get to some breaking news out of Nashville, Tennessee, where authorities say a significant explosion has rocked part of the downtown area. And police told reporters moments ago they responded to a suspicious vehicle early this morning. And then at 6:30 a.m., there was a large explosion, which they believe was an intentional act. At a press conference near the scene, officials said at least 3 people have been sent to the hospital. The FBI and the ATF are part of a large-scale investigation underway right now.
This happens every day. I wake up early every day. Oh shit!
Oh my God.
Good morning,
It's
Nashville.
the fucking building's on fire, Sydney. I told you.
We start off with the tornado, then the pandemic, now an explosion in the middle of downtown.
And still a week to go, but that's right. It's been Nashville's hardest year. But as for the explosion, got great people working on it. We'll get to the bottom of it. You know, it seems intentional, but I think it's just a one-off event, and people should not be concerned about it. But in a year that has had everything else, let's add an explosion to it.
And I want to ask you this: you got to